tool very real time. When you put data, it will show on dashboard real time. Okay. For the short enable visualization and prediction of special pattern. Okay. Okay. Geospatial analytics integrated data from map and satellite with analytical model. Tool like GIS and remote sensing. Okay, that's all. For the application in urban development, we have for land use planning, optimize zoning and infrastructure layout. Second, transportation analyze traffic flow and design smarter route. We have a big problem about traffic jam in Phnom Penh, especially around business center like Don Peng area, especially yes. And about third, environmental monitoring, track green space and pollution level. We can track it by use Google Map and we can transform it to Power BI. We can track it to get a GIS map. For disaster management, we can identify flood-prone area and plan evacuation routes. We have a big problem about flooding in Phnom Penh. Many areas with flooding when raining. Okay. For supporting sustainable development goal, SDGs, we have three SDG relevant. We know sustainable city and community. Second, geospatial data support urban resilience, inclusive growth and climate adaptation. For the third, enable transparent and participatory planning. Okay, example in Cambodia, content we have three Phnom Penh urban expansion mapping using satellite and imaginary. Second, to make urban management for water and land use balance. For the third, smart city initiative in Siem Reap by Cambodia. Okay, next. Tool and technology content we have for GIS platform.